Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making long donuts with a mock buttercream filling. To make the donut dough, in the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Mix it together well. Then add in the oil and water. Mix on low till it forms a stiff dough. This can also be done by hand. Remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a ball. Place the ball of dough into a greased bowl and cover with some cling film. Allow this to rise in a warm place for about an hour and a half. While the dough rises, you can make the buttercream. Add the margarine into a bowl and beat till creamy. Then add in all of the icing sugar, vanilla, and milk. Mix it well till smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue to mix till the buttercream becomes fluffy. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Place the buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a nozzle. Then set it aside at room temperature till needed. When the dough is risen, remove the cling film. Remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into a ball. Flatten it slightly and divide the dough into quarters as equally as you can. Then divide each quarter into thirds. This should yield about 12 pieces. Roll each piece into a sausage shape about 15 to 16 centimeters in length and place it on a well-oiled tray. Allow this to rise for about 10 to 15 minutes while you heat some oil. Place a few pieces of the dough at a time into the oil. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Turn the donuts back and forth, allowing it to rise and turn a deep golden brown color. Remove it from the oil and drain on paper towels, then allow it to cool completely. When you're ready to assemble the donut, use a serrated knife to cut down the length of the donut without going all the way through. Then pipe in as much or as little buttercream as you'd like. And they're ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!